All right, welcome back to Chapter 8. In this video, we're going to have a look at the image list control. Now, an image list is basically just that. It's a list of images. It's kind of like a collection of images, sort of like an array, if you think about it. It is a collection that can hold multiple images and images that are organized in a list. And you can use their index to retrieve the image, just like you could retrieving a variable in a regular array or in a list collection. So some of the rules here with the image control is that all the images stored in the image control should be the same size, so they're all stacked up. And the images stored in an image list control shouldn't be any bigger than 256 pixels by 256 pixels. And finally, all the images stored should be of the same format, primarily. So the example the book gives, and this is I think a very good one, is that a deck of playing cards. So the image list supports images properties with which you can add images to this collection, and we've got these. Now if you go into the book resources, I have bitmap files for all the cards of red cards and blue cards in this entire deck, and we can add these to the collection of a image control to do that. And if you look carefully, you'll see here that there's an index. So if I want to randomly pick a number between 1 and 51, that would pick a number that would be associated with a picture. So I could use a random generator to pick a random card. Sounds interesting. So from there, we could use something like to load an image into this control. We could simply, once we got all the images into our image list control, we could simply use this image index of our image list, and we could assign it to the picture box. We could load it into that picture box. But it's really trying to find which one we want right here. So if we're going to do a deck of cards, we could randomly pick some number, and it would then associate the number with a particular card and then output that card on the screen. Now the count property, it just basically goes through and it counts how many images are in that particular image list, and it comes back with the finite number. So if it was a deck of cards, we know there's 51 cards in a deck. So we could use this as a method here, or we could just type in 51 if we were doing a program with a deck of cards. All right, let's have a look at how this could apply to our program in our in-class exercise.